Recruiters spend less than 10 seconds reviewing your resume, which means if they don't find the information they're looking for right away, they'll probably move on to another candidate. By choosing a proven format, you can quickly make a strong first impression and help the hiring manager see why you're the right choice for the job. I'm Amanda Augustine, your resident career expert at Top Resume, and in this video, we'll dive into everything you need to know about the 3 best resume formats and how to decide when to use each one. The right resume format shows a hiring manager that you're a serious and motivated candidate. But not all resume formats work for everyone. So let's look at the 3 best resume formats and the benefits and drawbacks of each one. The reverse chronological resume format focuses on your employment history section, which is the last 10 to 15 years of your work history, starting with the current role and then working your way backwards. That's why it's called reverse chronological. The bullet points allow you to expand on your duties, skills, and accomplishments in each role. This is the resume format most hiring managers expect to see, but it can be a bit rigid and requires you to have enough experience to fill the page. But what if you're just starting out? Or you're a student or recent grad? Or you have big gaps in your employment history? You may want to consider a functional resume format instead. The functional resume format emphasizes skills over work history. Because the skills section is the most important part of this type of resume, it is often broken down into subsections like hard skills and soft skills. One of the downsides of this type of resume is that employers are less familiar with it and may have a hard time connecting your skills with specific roles. And the recruitment software built into online hiring portals has a harder time processing functional resumes. That's where our third format comes in. The combination or hybrid resume format combines the best of the reverse chronological and the functional resume formats. This format includes a professional summary to introduce yourself along with a complete skills section. I recommend this format because it works for nearly everyone. It offers you the chance to focus on your strongest skills while also providing the employment history section recruiters expect to see. Now you know all about the 3 best resume formats and the pros and cons of each one. If you'd like some help figuring out which format is right for you, you can get a free resume review with clear feedback on how to improve your application. I'm Amanda Augustine for Top Resume. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date with our latest resume tips and career advice. I'll see you there.